Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to withdraw from your account on the BitMEX Exchange using the USDT TRC20 method. As you saw in the previous tutorial, we funded our account using this method, and now we want to withdraw that balance. To do this, on this page, click on the Trade option, and on the next page, go to the Assets section. Here, you'll have two options available: Withdraw and Deposit. Click on the Withdraw option. As you can see, to submit a request, you first need to enable two-factor authentication on your account. You do this by connecting to the Google Authenticator app. Now, on the Security page, you can connect your account to Google Authenticator. Click on Add. Here, you'll see a QR code and a code that you need to enter into the app. Install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile phone. After installing and opening the app, tap the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Now you can select the Scan QR code option and scan the display QR code. The one-time password generator for the BitMEX Exchange is now activated for you. Now you need to enter the code generated in the app here, and after clicking the Confirm button, your account will be successfully linked. Please note that after enabling two-factor authentication, withdrawals from your account will be disabled for 24 hours. After 24 hours have passed since activating your Google Authenticator, you can submit your withdrawal request again. You will be taken to this page. Set the desired currency to USDT and select the Tron network. Enter your wallet address in this section, and in the Amount field, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. The network fee will be displayed to you. If you want, you can write a note for your withdrawal and then click on Withdraw. The details of this transaction will be shown to you, and you will need to enter the two-factor authentication code that you received from the Google Authenticator app in this section. After entering the code and clicking on Withdraw, your withdrawal request will be submitted. Now, an email will be sent to you, and you need to confirm your withdrawal in that email. Go to your email inbox. The details of this withdrawal will be displayed to you. You need to click on the View Withdrawal option to confirm this withdrawal, and on the next page, you can either cancel or confirm your withdrawal. Your withdrawal request has been successfully confirmed. Now, you just need to wait to receive this amount in your wallet. Now, after a few minutes, you can see the withdrawn balance in your personal wallet. To view the details of this transaction, you can go to the Transaction History section on the wallet page, where the withdrawal details will be shown to you. That was the tutorial on how to withdraw from your BitMEX account using the TRC20 Tether method. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.